up, guys? Today I'm going to be installing a Remark R1 exhaust. It's a single exit. Remark is a pretty brand new exhaust company that's come out. They have one for the 86 and BRZs. So yeah, today I'm going to be installing it on my car. The current exhaust that I have on my car right now is a parent catback exhaust system. It's I believe it's a 2.5 inch. If I'm not mistaken, but it has a resonator and a muffler, which are pretty huge. I don't know if you see. There we go. But yeah, resonator and muffler. And it comes out in the tube, but the Remark is going to be coming out in just a single exit through the right side. So, it should look pretty cool.
Look at that weld.
Alright, so to take off this exhaust, we need to unbolt these two bolts right here. They are, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a half drive. Yeah, just need them two right here and right there. You'll need a, what is it? The wrench. You need a wrench to be able to hold the other side. But honestly, after that, after this is loose, after this piece is loose, you guys could just put some WD-40 on this hanger right there. And there's one and two on the other side. You can just drop the whole exhaust this way. Alright guys, so we got the exhaust off. We did have a slight problem with getting off the hangers because there's actually little bits of washers. There's these small little washers right here. There's these washers that prevent the hangers from coming out. It kind of acts like a security block so then the hangers won't slip out. So some of them were kind of like rusted, not rusted, but they just had a lot of buildup inside, so it was kind of hard to take out. But now we're all good. Now just need to transfer these to the new exhaust over there.
Okay. So you want to wipe it down and take a quick video?
That's right.
How do you like it? More rowlier. Yeah, it's definitely louder. Carly, you got it. Sheesh.
It's good.
How do you feel, man?
It's good.
Good?
It's a lot deeper too.
Yeah, for sure.
Plus, without the resonator, you can definitely feel like the
More.
vibration inside.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely louder.
You can feel it. Huh?
Yeah.
Remember the parent, like you could barely hear it, not unless you like step on the gas.
Right. Now you can just hear it.
Yeah.
Whenever you're driving. Oh my god. Does it pop? Go up RPM a little bit. Oh. How do you like it?
Dude, sounds sick.
Yeah.
Imagine if I get headers.
Bro, you don't want to get headers.
That's just gonna be loud.
Yeah. Bro, I think this is louder than mine.
You think so?
Yours is definitely louder.
Dude,
Maybe
you can hear
yours
the
is-
rumble. I feel like you can kind of hear the rumble.
Yeah. Yeah.